Guys, we are back with the butterbeer ice cream.
Beer ice cream, ew.
It's just Mr. Whippy with a bit of butterscotch in it, but it's very nice. I had it years ago and I'm gonna have it again. Yummy. So why I finished. Have the night bus. Can do the horn. The shrunken head.
Mind your head.
Just walking behind the bus. Oh, look who it is! What's this one do?
What you doing down there?
Do another one.
Can you put, sorry, can you put this in your...
Do that one
Thank
over
you.
there. Do that one.
I'm being told I have to do this one as well, so I'm coming. Right, I'm going to have a picture because it's tradition.
Mummy.
So I have a picture
Mummy.
when I come here for the bus.
Not knocking.
Why are you not knocking?
I don't think it's
Do you want me to knock? Come here then.
see how.
She thinks Harry's home. Look, you just got to do this, look. See? There's no one there.
Wait a second. Don't touch the black light. Wait, jump in. One,
I love it.
2, 3.
Is she alright? She's this ice cream. Oh, I can barely get in it. There we go.
I captured a new person.
Right.
Now it's you on the motorbike.
No, we'll let the other people have a go now. Oh, just stand to get out of that.
I'm going to get out this way.
Why are you doing that for?
Okay, so food is over. Can you see me? We're now going to the second part of the tour, so all the creature effects. And
Yeah, I see more Malfoy.
and yeah, there's more Malfoy in here, so Harley is like really excited. Yeah, so yeah, let's have a look around. Look,
Make sure at the end.
some ghosts. There we go, look, Carl, more Draco for you. Look at the gloves, why do I want a pair? It's not a parrot. Oh, look at the merman people. I love doing this. You can make Dobby move. So
I'm currently at like the Harry Potter studio tour and they're like on tour. Is it going to be long? I know that's fine. Yeah.
Oh, she's so cute. And if we go over here, we've got like some like heads and hands and the books.
It's my better performance. I spend a lot of time in this sort of get-up, I can tell you. I'm Warwick Davis. I play both Ripper and Professor Potter. I've also spent a lot of time right here in the water.
Yeah, that's horrible. Oh look, this is like all the mechanics of everything. That's pretty cool. Cool.
That's you guys.
Look, there's a run. What is that? Then we got the basilisk.
She's so fake. Not fake spider.
Look, pumpkins. Mad Eye's leg. Oh look, there's a dragon. There's Buckbeak.
Sophia, come on.
With the pumpkins.
Puppy.